My name is Yemi Akunde. I'm from Ben Television. We are the widest reach of ethnic viewers in Europe and in Africa. We have about 30 million reach, and we cater mostly to the African and Afro-Caribbean community. Can I first of all start by saying thank you so much for inviting us here today. I was speaking at my table that this is an eye-opener for a lot of us that are from other backgrounds, coming here to sit down and to eat and talk with you and see what you really represent. Thank you so much for involving other faiths, other denominations. Thank you so much for involving the political parties and divide into this program. This is really, really phenomenal, and I must say it's to be applauded. So thank you so much for that. I would also like to know what more can the media outside of the faith, the secular media, other medias that are not from the same background as you, that do not know this information that you're sharing, what more can we do so that we can push this message of peace forward?
Since you are here, you have listened to my speech very well. You can have the copy of it or the recording of it. And I have put the responsibility now on the shoulder of not only to the politicians, not only on the shoulders of influential people, but to the public. And being a media representative, this is your duty to spread this message that the world needs peace in this age, under these present circumstances. So we should all join hands together and fight for bringing peace into the world. Instead of supplying help or aid to those people who are creating disturbance in the world.
Can I also suggest that a conference like this should be thrown open more to other media platforms, because we would not have known that this is happening?
We tried to advertise as much as we could, but the media did not respond well.
Okay, now that we know that partners
yes.
will be willing to come on board
I think
if
you cover my speech,
yes,
more media will be attracted, inshallah.
All right then. Thank
you,
and well done, sir. Very well done, Your Holiness.
Thank you.
You.